Hey, so I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own stickers using your iPhone. First thing you're going to do is take a picture of whatever you want to turn into a sticker. So it can be a person, a plushie, or anything else. So for me, I'm going to use this as an example. So all I'm going to do is take a picture of it, go to my gallery, and now maybe you have to wait like 5 seconds. But once you're done waiting, just take your finger and press down on whatever you want to turn into a sticker. And that's it. It's going to give you the option to add it. And it's done. You just throw it in there. And these are all my other attempts to make this video. So, just to show you works on screenshots. Picture of Naruto, same thing. Press down. Now use a sticker. Add them. Done. It's really simple. You can do this with anything: people, plushies, cars, race cars. Like this is Max Verstappen. So I'm gonna do it with this one. Boom, add as a sticker. And the cool thing about this now is you can actually go into other pictures and add these stickers in them. So I'm gonna use this one as an example. So we're gonna go here, press edit, press the little plus thing, add sticker. And now you can have, I don't know, I think this is Pierre Gasly in front of Max blocking his way. Or you can have, let me see, what else, what other stickers do I have in here? Or you can just pretend like it's Naruto in there. All right, cool. That's it. And then same thing for text messages. Now that you've done that, you can go in here, press the plus button, go to stickers, and they'll be all here, and you can just type "believe it" and send it to your friends. And that's it.